Now to a developing story we've been following all weekend. The debate over access to abortion taking center stage after contradictory legal rulings in separate cases put the future of an abortion drug in limbo. One federal judge stripped its FDA approval while another said it should remain available. CBS 2's Bradley Blackburn is here live in studio with more on the story. Bradley?
Andrea, legal experts do say that for now at least, nothing about accessing this pill that is used in more than half of all abortions across the country will change. But the ruling in Texas could make a difference, and abortion rights supporters are promising to fight.
Hands off the abortion pill!
In Los Angeles, abortion rights supporters marched downtown to defend access to a medical abortion pill, mifepristone, that has been approved by the government for decades.
This is an intolerable escalation, the potential banning of mifepristone.
In a Texas case, federal judge Matthew Kazmierek, a Trump appointee, sided with anti-abortion rights groups, deciding the FDA's approval in the year 2000 was improper and the drug poses a risk to patients.
We think that the judge totally got it right. The FDA has to go back. It has to be transparent with the public about the studies that it relied on to make its decisions, and it's got to follow the science.
The FDA has defended its process and argued that 99.9% of patients treated with the drug have not had adverse reactions. And in a competing ruling in Washington state, federal judge Thomas Rice, an Obama appointee, blocked the FDA from changing mifepristone's availability in at least 17 states. It means the issue could come before the Supreme Court, which overturned Roe v. Wade last June.
So it inherently creates what we call a circuit split, which kind of means it has to go to the Supreme Court, which is not necessarily a good thing, right?
The judge in Texas gave the government 7 days to appeal, and the Biden administration has already started that process. In a statement, President Biden said he will fight, quote, the next big step toward the national ban on abortion that Republican elected officials have vowed to make law.
And right now, mifepristone is available by mail, even in states where surgical abortions are illegal. It's most often used together with a drug called misoprostol. And yesterday here in New York, Governor Hochul said she's concerned that that secondary drug could be challenged too. Andrea, the governor says that she wants to make sure that it remains available in the state.
Bradley Blackburn live in studio. Bradley, thank you. And stay with CBS 2 on air and online for continuing coverage as the future of these court rulings plays out in court.